In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 best penny stocks to buy right now in September 24. Each of these stocks has the potential to 10x your investment, and 2 of these in particular have major catalysts coming very soon. These stocks could skyrocket in September. This is a must-watch video for anyone who is serious about penny stocks in 2024. Now, we've got a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short, but if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs you nothing, but it helps me out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you'd never miss out on new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so make sure that you always do your own due diligence. Also, I would really appreciate if you could try to answer the question at the end of this video. Now let's get straight into it with the first stock. Intuitive Machines is a diversified space company focused on space exploration. The company designs, manufactures, and operates space products and services in the United States, such as orbital services, including satellite delivery and rideshare, satellite servicing and refueling, space station servicing, satellite repositioning, and orbital debris removal. It also provides lunar data services and navigation systems like lunar mobile vehicles such as rovers and drones, power infrastructure, and human habitation systems. It serves as products to the US government, commercial, and international customers. Looking at the most recent investors presentation, we can see that revenue has more than doubled in the first half of 2024, and they have more than $70 million of new backlog added this year. They have rideshare and NASA payloads, as well as a whole bunch of commercial deals with major companies, which we can see here. But their 2024 outlook is extremely promising, expecting full 24 revenue of $210 to $240 million, resulting in a 3x prior year sales, and they finished the last quarter with enough cash to be sufficient to fund operations through the next 12 months. Now, this stock was brought to my attention a few weeks ago by a subscriber who alerted me to another space stock a few months back, and that stock is AST Space Mobile. Now, if you've been following ASTS over the past few months, it's been on an absolutely insane run. It's up over 800% in the past 6 months, but at one point in August, the stock was up over 1600% in just 3 months. And Intuitive Machines could do something similar. The company just had big news on August 29th. NASA has awarded Intuitive Machines a $116 million contract to deliver 6 science and technology payloads to the moon's south pole. LUNR is waiting on the execution of a near space network service contract, which has a potential long-term value of over $4.2 billion. Looking at market beat, we can see that 5 Wall Street analysts have priced LUNR stock at a consensus price target of $9.80, a low forecast of 8 and a high forecast of 11, which would give the stock more than 100% upside. And these have all been set within recent weeks, but just looking at ASTS stock's rally over the past few months, I feel that LUNR stock could run a long way above the analyst targets. SOUND AI is a global leader in conversational intelligence, offers voice AI solutions that let businesses offer incredible conversational experiences to their customers, with best-in-class speed and accuracy in more than 25 languages to product creators across automotive, TV, Internet of Things, and customer service industries. SOUND has several AI-driven products like Smart Answering, Smart Ordering, and Dynamic Drive-Thru. Along with SOUND Chat AI, a powerful voice assistant with integrated generative AI, SOUND powers millions of products and services and processes billions of interactions each year for world-class businesses. And we can see here those leading companies such as Samsung, Oracle, Square, and even Nvidia are amongst the leading brands that chose SOUND AI. Looking at the most recent investors presentation, SOUND is estimating their current addressable market at approximately $40 billion. And we can see here how the business has been growing rapidly over the past few years. SOUND also has strong patent protection with over 270 patents across a number of different categories that are listed here. And financially, SOUND AI has been going from strength to strength over the past few years with over 50% compound annual growth rate since 2020. Now, this stock really caught attention earlier this year when Nvidia disclosed that they were holding several $1 million worth of SOUND AI stock. And SoundHound AI shares are soaring recently on acquisition news and strong revenue growth. The company recently acquired Amelia AI for $80 million. Amelia is known for its generative AI platform that helps with customer service and back office tasks, but the acquisition will help SoundHound move into other industry verticals such as financial institutions, insurance, retail, and healthcare. The company said the deal will also unlock a lot of new cross-selling and upselling opportunities, as well as new avenues for monetization. The combined company is projected to generate revenue of more than $150 million next year, with Amelia contributing over $45 million of the total. Following the deal, it will have $160 million of cash and $35 million in debt on its balance sheet. Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that SoundHound is covered by 6 analysts, giving a consensus price target of over $7, with a high forecast as high as $9.50. SiriusXM. This stock has just hit the headlines in the past 2 weeks because Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has just bought a major position in the company. So what is SiriusXM? SiriusXM is a leading audio entertainment company in North America with a portfolio of audio businesses, including its flagship subscription service, SiriusXM, the music streaming services of Pandora, an expansive podcast network, and a suite of business and advertising solutions. This has a combined monthly audience of approximately 150 million listeners. SiriusXM offers a broad range of content for listeners everywhere. They tune in with a diverse mix of live and on-demand programming across music, talk, sports, and news. Now, overall, this doesn't look like the most exciting company in the world, but then again, the companies that Warren Buffett invests heavily into rarely do. However, he is considered the greatest investor in the world, and his investments do very, very well. So why buy Sirius now? Well, it looks like SiriusXM is making big moves in the industry. SiriusXM signs Alex Cooper from Spotify to SiriusXM in a $125 million deal. But this is just the latest deal. In January, Sirius signed a 3-year, $100 million deal with Smartless founder Will Arnett, Jason Bateman, and Sean Hayes. Looking at the investor's presentation, Sirius is looking to be the dominant future of audio. They already have massive artist and brand exclusives, and consider themselves to be a leading subscription business for the future while expanding their audiences. The company is consistently delivering strong results and a good capital return, although the return on capital had dropped last year. So as I said, Berkshire Hathaway more than tripled its stake in SiriusXM during the second quarter. Warren Buffett now owns a $400 million position in the media giant. In a way, Warren Buffett's interest in this stock makes a lot of sense. Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that Sirius is covered with several analysts and has a consensus price target of $3.80, while the high forecast is $6.50. The next stock is Poet Technologies. Poet is a design and development company offering integration solutions based on the Poet Optical Imposer, a novel platform that allows the seamless integration of electronic and photonic devices into a single multi-chip module using advanced wafer-level semiconductor manufacturing techniques. This eliminates costly components and labor-intensive assembly. Poet Technology brings value to any device or system that integrates electronics and photonics, including some of the highest growth areas of computing, such as artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, and high-speed networking for cloud service providers and data centers. Poet is headquartered in Toronto with operations in the United States, China, and Singapore. The stock is listed on the Nasdaq and the Canadian TSXV exchange. Looking at the recent investors' presentation, the total addressable market for Poet's technology could be up to $12.5 billion this year, but will grow by as much as 7x over the next 5 years. And we can see here that Poet has partnerships with major companies such as Luxshare and Foxconn, but the companies that they supply are even more interesting. Listed here is Google, Apple, and Nvidia. There is 3 key artificial intelligence segments, but it's Poet's advanced solutions for large service providers being introduced to the market in 2024 and in production in 2025, which grabs my attention, with potential end users such as Nvidia, Samsung, Meta, and Google. I highly recommend everyone to take a look at Poet's investors presentation. It's well worth a look, and there is a link to this in the description below. And POET's technology is gaining recognition, where just recently POET's breakthrough microchip solution was selected as the winner of the Best Optical AI Solution Award in the 7th Annual AI Breakthrough Awards program conducted by AI Breakthrough, a leading market intelligence organization that recognizes the top companies, technologies, and products in the global artificial intelligence market today. Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that POET Technologies has a price target of $7.50, which is more than 130% upside from the current price. KULR Technology Group is a leading energy management platform company offering proven solutions that play a critical role in accelerating an electrification of the circular economy. Leveraging a foundation in developing, manufacturing, and licensing next-generation carbon fiber thermal management technologies for batteries and electronic systems. This company operates in a huge and growing market with exposure to aerospace and defense, e-mobility, and lithium battery market, as well as global recycling industry. The energy storage market alone is expected to grow by 8% annually over the next decade, reaching that $400 billion point before 2030. Looking at the new summer investors presentation, we can see the company's investment thesis with revenue growth and balance sheet rebalancing. KULR Technologies has a long list of major commercial and government partners such as SpaceX and Boeing, Meta and Philips, as well as a whole host of vehicle companies such as GM, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Rivian and Tesla, as well as several government departments and NASA. KULR is experiencing rapid growth now across several sectors, and we can see this in the financial summary, showing revenue growth that is up over 890% in 3 years, but also showing that the company is becoming more efficient and using less cash. I highly recommend anyone interested in KULR Technologies to check out the new presentation, as this looks at things in far more detail, such as the space batteries, the advanced thermal solutions, and the overall massive market opportunity. Now, there is a link to this in the description below. And more recently, KULR partners with Ampius Technologies. This partnership is poised to play a pivotal role in the evolution of battery technology, while Precision Business Insights estimates the global electric aircraft market to reach $13.5 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 7.62% over the next 6 years. Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that the consensus price target for KULR stock is $1.15, with a low forecast of $1 and a high forecast of $1.30, giving upside for this stock of more than 300%. And the most recent price target was set in the past month. Now, in this video, I have looked at what I consider to be the 5 top penny stocks for September. But which of these do you think is the best? I'm extremely bullish on 2 of these in particular. Check the comments to see which ones. But let me know which ones are your favorites. Intuitive Machines with a potential major contract. SOUN, KULR Technologies with recent announcements and a huge price target. SiriusXM with the merger and this stock being the pick of Warren Buffett, or POET with the reward-winning technologies. Now, this is just my opinion and this is not financial advice. There is a lot of talk building on social media right now about some of these stocks, but always do your own due diligence. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, but if you enjoyed this analysis, then please like and subscribe. I hope you make a load of money on these stocks. Follow me on Twitter and I'll catch you in the next video.